Hey guys, I'm Veronika and welcome to my channel. Today just gonna show you my room. Here we go! Here we enter my room and ta-da! Here is basically my room, my whole room, and let's start with the beginning. So here I have like this wall with my really cute memories which I just printed, and here like this photo wall. Why I have two tables, just one is for my brother because he works here, and this is my table. So what I have here is some really cute lights, more photos. Here you can see some beauty stuff. On the top of my shelf I have some collection, like this is really little collection but still, of this glass bowls, but it's really cute. So you can see this used to shine. Some Christmas one. This one I got when I was at the camp, at the summer camp, so from my friend. But my favorite one is here actually. I got this like when I was in the United States in Philadelphia Zoo, and this with cheetahs. Actually, these are my favorite animals, so yes, I love it so much. As every girl has candles, so I love candles. Here I have some more, which I even haven't started to use. Here is my board where I write basically all things that I need to do, some timetables I have here, and some quotes like this one or that one. Yes. And here I have this cute photo with my brother from Prague. Yeah. This is my view from the window. There is my like toy shelf where I kept all my little cute toys. My favorite one are this cute unicorn and this cutie. My alarm, yes, I have this cute white one. I really love it. I think it's so aesthetic. This is my guitar actually. And here, yes guys, here are more photographs because I love pictures when they are on the wall, and I think it's really cute. This is my bed. I like when there are a lot of pillows on it, so that's why it looks like this. There is my wardrobe. This shelf is brown because I thought that with this table it would really suit. So up there I have all my music stuff that I need when I play the piano or flute. Here is my own shelf. Here is even this from Starbucks from Krakow when I was on my school trip. Here are some books I used to read when I was a child. Not all of them, of course, they are here. So guys, basically that's it. This was my room tour. If you like, just let me know. Write in comments your favorite thing that you liked in my room. See you soon in the next videos. Bye. Love you guys.